Alright, at first impression, it looks great. You did it very well. Nice and easy. The only thing I would say, maybe you can have him tap a little bit his feet. You know, you might be able to do that. Let me X-ray joint. Oh. You know, you might do something like that with it a little bit. Just slightly, so he's not so anchored. Let's try just this one. And then we just copy that one a couple of times. And then this one. It depends actually. I might, you know, maybe just the tip in the back of the shoe and not the front. So you might want to bring the front down a little bit. Well, it's his shoe out like that, sorry though. But maybe a little bit, you know, because he's moving. It's hard to keep your feet straight like that. Now also something you should have done is have eyes, frankly. I would have the eyes big time on that character. It would have been much better than just like that. But that's okay. Let's see what else. The fingers, you could have played with the fingers a little bit also. Alright, put IK on the fingers maybe. And close that out. You know what I'm saying? So a little bit. So we go right here. And right there as usual. Oops, sorry. Wait. Let me copy that key. You have to have the IK obviously attached also. And I can attach to that. So like that they go together. Oops. Oh no, might be my fault on that one. Let's do master, slave, and constrain parent. That should work better. Alright, and now you can animate it to kind of have that. So you can play with it a little bit. Let me get rid of those keys. Because we changed the setup. Bring the IK back right here. So you can do a bunch of stuff with that. You can put multiple IK into it, but I would, maybe even if you don't put IK into it, grab the knuckles maybe. Right click on them and go select hierarchy. That one, and see it'll rotate pretty well like that. You can select, do an S on it. Right here, rotate that, do another S. You know, and you do that with all of them. So you select the knuckle, right click, and you go select hierarchy, and then you key that hierarchy, and you go right here and you maybe do that. Alright, and then you can grab it and and maybe bring it back after. Same for the others, just you can reselect the hierarchy. Oops, sorry, I'm on the wrong one. And go copy and paste. Alright, so you'll get some motion out of the finger. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, like I said, too bad you didn't have eyes opening and things like that, and mouth moving. You can put bones into them too if you want to. That work pretty well. But good job beside that, I like it. It's creepy enough. See it breathe in, breathe out. Maybe the arms are a little too synchronized. Alright, so you might want to desynchronize them a little bit. No, they're okay. And maybe also hold on. Move it another way also. You know what I'm saying? Stuff like that to add a little bit more, you know, that would be pretty cool. That's pretty much it. Thank you.